Hello. Today I'm gonna give you some tips how to mostly avoid art block. In a time where you have an art block, let's just call it mentally tired, you can just learn something like anatomy. That's something I did for the past 3 months where I didn't upload. No, I was tired and I had to rethink everything in sort of way. Currently editing, I saw that the clips are, well, my mic isn't that good. I have to get a new mic. But thing is, the first step is learn anatomy while you have an art block. It's very important that you learn anatomy while you're having an art block. Second tip is it's just do something wrong on purpose. It's gonna make you less tired because you're just mentally tired of drawing, and you're just perfectionism is way too much, and you want to draw everything perfect, quick, and it should look good. But it's not working out for you. For most artists, pick a reference. Always use the reference. Learn perspective. Learn boxes. Learn the basics from the beginning. Always important. Currently, I'm drawing. You're seeing this right now. I'm drawing something and I have no idea what I'm drawing right now because it looks meh. I just picked something from Pinterest, a woman using her lipstick, and I'm just drawing, nothing in mind. For this video, well, the result is gonna be shocking you, I guess, because I'm not really good at doing shadows. But the best way to avoid art block is practice anatomy, practice something that you're not good at. Yeah, that's the main thing, the main source of art block, how to avoid it. Or do some challenges, change your art style, or even, I don't know, draw creatures that you get inspired from dark fantasy, like from Dark Souls, from Elden Ring, Bloodborne, and you draw characters with blades, with guns, and you're gonna see everything in a different way. Choose a topic. It's gonna be more fun drawing. And what you can also do is learn your lines, be confident, and don't do chicken scratching. You see that I'm doing a lot of chicken scratching, but it's also because I'm on tablet. It's like I have it 2 years, but I barely use it. Why didn't I use it all the time? Because I wanted the program Clips to the Paint, and I kept pushing it away and away. I was like, I need the best program. The thing is, time is not waiting for you. The time keeps going. In 1 year, you're gonna say, hey, I didn't learn anything this year. I didn't do shit. Literally. Sorry for the language, but you didn't do anything. And this kept going for 2 years. This time, I have to practice it. You have to practice it too. If you're pushing something away, just grab it, do it. Because you're afraid of doing something wrong. And that's actually okay to do something wrong, because if you're doing something wrong, then you're gonna learn something from it. Easy said. Yeah. Currently you're seeing how you're drawing, redrawing everything all the time. This kept me like almost 1.5 hours just drawing this, because I'm a perfectionist. I want to draw it really good. And Near Automata you're gonna see it, the result. It's my favorite series. I love it. The music really good. The story is really good, even though it's kind of complicated. Especially Neo Automata, normal one, not the replicant one. Love it. Very nice. You should check it out. I'm probably not the only one who's struggling against art block. Probably Sam does art. Relove. I don't know. Many artists. Like I saw, all of them probably are struggling with art block, but they have a way to avoid that. They gonna try something new, looking for challenges, and they just have a way to avoid it. You have to also get a way to avoid art block in, I don't know, practice challenges. But if you're really mentally tired, you cannot draw, you're doing everything wrong, just take a rest, a few days. But if you, well, that's a part now. If you take too much rest, that's a problem. Block, you're gonna push it away for 3 months, 1 year, 2 years, and because you're feeling mentally tired, just take a break. Just 1 week is enough, I would say. Taking rest. Yeah. What you should also do is just take a break, a quick break, try your stuff, 5 minutes break, and get back on the run. And then you see how much you're doing wrong. Also, pick up a book and study the book, learn and think how the artist thinks when he's drawing. I'm gonna put a link in the description of the book that I was reading and looking. I don't do it perfectly, but yeah. That should be it with the voiceover, because I don't want the video to keep being that long. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. The next video is going to be how to draw legs. Quick and easy. Well, always appreciating subscribe, like and comment, and see you next time.